for today's video, I will be doing a mystery box slash bag unboxing. So I have here a box from my sister. Nilagay ko lang dito yung package na na-receive ko. I bought a mystery bag worth 500 pesos from a Luxe Beauty Studio. Actually, I saw this from Miss Tony Sia kasi nag-unbox siya. And this is a box that has 5 full-size items from AOA Cosmetics. So if you didn't know, AOA Cosmetics is like a US makeup brand. Tapos sa US, $1 per item lang. Pero if you buy it in the Philippines, it's like 120 pesos per item. So it's like saving 100 pesos for 5 items kasi yun nga, 120 each siya. Tapos this is 500. But personally, I actually only paid 420 since I bought it on Shopee. I'll link it down below. I think available pa siya. I have Shopee coins kasi that's why I was able to like lessen the price. So, bale, I computed it and it's like 84 pesos per item. And it came like this, like yung Ninja Van plastic lang. And inside is a plastic that is bubble wrapped. And I'm gonna open this and I'll be right back. Inside the bubble wrap, I have another plastic and dito nakalagay lahat ng products and I do have 5 products with me. So first is a sculpting brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. I also have AOA Studio Powlighter, so I think it's a loose powder highlighter, and this is in the shade Nebula and it looks nice ha, yung color. And then, meron tayong Radiant Blush in the shade Wine. It's like, ano to? Yung parang mga baked blush. And then, we have an AOA Studio Go Brow. This is also in the shade Dark Brown. So, minatch talaga siya. And then, we have a mascara which I'm very excited about. This is the Fat Lash from AOA Studio. And this is in the shade Black. I think yung pagkagawa niya is like, para pwede siyang full face. Sobrang uso yung talagang ginagawa yung brow. So, she included 2 brow products, but I wish she only included 1. And then, mascara, cause I think yun yung para for the eyes. And then, meron tayong highlighter and blush for our face makeup. And I wish I had a different blush. Kasi, this blush looks like pwede siyang pang-highlight. Kasi shimmery siya. Hindi pala siya pwede for highlight. Pero kasi, feeling ko if I use this as my blush, hindi ko na kailangan mag-highlight kasi shimmery na siya. So, parang hindi ko rin maggamit yung highlight. I don't know. For me talaga, I wish I only had 1 brow product and then isa sa kanila. Basta, for me, sulit naman siya if you wanna try AOA products, but then the combo is just not what I like. I don't know. But now, we are gonna try it on my face and see if they are really nice. So, let's move on to putting it on my face. simple because I only have 5 products with me and I didn't really hand select all of these. So, okay, one by one, I first used the brow product. So I really liked both of them, surprisingly. I didn't think na magugustuhan ko yung isa. I thought I'd like this more, but to be honest, I really like the brow pencil and I don't usually wear brow pencil and it's really nice. I am super happy I got these and for sure I'm gonna use them again. Next I use is the mascara, which I think this is my least favorite kasi I think this reminds me a little bit of the Caroline mascaras, yung parang masyadong dry siya na feeling ko wala siyang masyadong ginagawa for my lashes. I don't really recommend this kasi I think for that price you can buy something just a bit more expensive, like parang like yung Maybelline, it's usually 149, so add ka lang ng 29 pesos, mas maganda pa yon kaysa dito. So I don't know, for me this is not my favorite. Ang dami ko pa talagang mascara na mas maganda dito, so I think I'm gonna give this away. For these two, I still stand by what I said about not using both of them together kasi nga for me it's like too highlighty. They are really good products separately. For this, I used it on my eyes and super ganda ng color niya. It's like this pink peach shade. Maganda rin siya sa cheeks in fairness, but since I used this, parang hindi talaga siya magandang combo. This one also super ganda ng pigmentation. It's like a really nice golden highlight. This highlighter is actually really nice for yung mismong highlight. Look at that, super highlighty, even my nose bridge. It's a bit glittery for me, pero I don't know, maganda naman siya from afar. I'd still use this again for my highlight. It's a bit messy because it's loose, but I don't mind that. This is actually good to use as an eyeshadow as well. I got 5 products for 500 pesos and I only liked 4 of them. 4 over 5, not bad. It's a good makeup bag or mystery bag. So if ever you want to try a mystery bag, if you are curious about mystery boxes, you know, and you like makeup, I think this is a good brand to try. Sobrang sulit naman. Kahit 4 items yung nagustuhan ko, sulit yung money ko. Since I paid 420, but I think for 500 pesos, okay din siya. So yun. I will just link it down below if you're interested. I know Alox Beauty Studio also has like other 500 peso mystery boxes, and then they also have like 3,500 peso mystery box. So lilink ko na lang yung Shopee nila kasi I think it's better to buy it there. I don't know if they have a shop or if they get orders from Instagram, but I buy in their Shopee account and you get free shipping for every 500 pesos you spend. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you want to see and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Thanks for watching!